last na for me, it comes from the title, What Lies Beneath. Alam naman natin as an artist, prone talaga kayo sa mga lies. So, paano nyo tinitake yun, lalo sa social media, na ang dami nagkalat kung kasi nalagyan tungkol sa inyo?
At the end of the day, we know ourselves. Parang, I started very young in the industry. I was 13. And I was bashed online. Wala, ang daming iba't ibang mga, kung ano-ano, literal. Wala namang problema, di ba? Kung sinabi nila, buntis ako, kasi hindi ako buntis. Pero sinabi nila. Parang yung mga ganun kahit ganun kababaw na mga lies, na parang, after 9 months, sasabog to sa mukha mo na hindi naman to totoo. Pero sinasabi nyo pa rin, para saan? For entertainment. At the end of the day, wala ka na magagawa talaga kung ganun mag-isip yung ibang tao. You can try to change how they are, but that's really not going to happen. The best thing is, kailangan kilala mo talaga yung sarili mo. Tsaka malakas talaga yung paniniwala mo. And I think a very, very strong foundation. Like, ako kasi, malakas yung foundation ko kasi sa pamilya ko, mahal ako pag uwi ko, mahal ako ng mga tao dun Hindi ko kailangan mag-prove ng kahit ano sa kahit kanino. Yung, kumbaga, okay, kung yan yung katotohanan na alam mo tungkol sa akin, problema mo yun. Hindi ko na siya problema. Kumbaga, alam ko kung sino ako, I know who I am. And that's so important that we really know who we are. Kasi minsan, sabi ang pampangit, sinungaling yun. Pero alam ko maganda ako So, ba't ako maniniwala sa'yo? Di ba? Yung gano'n, kahit sa mga gano'n na lang kasimple na bagay. Parang, you should really know. Kung sinungaling ka, hindi ko Charay. Yun, kailangan kilala talaga natin yung sarili natin.
Ako din, totoo. Lagi na lang. Hindi, totoo. Same sentiment na parang kilala naman namin yung sarili namin, yung people around us na kilala talaga kami, alam yung tunay na nangyayari. So, hindi namin kailangan lagi i-defend din yung sarili namin. Kasi sa totoo lang, lalabas at lalabas din naman yung totoo. Diba? So, yun lang, kasi ang dami din nagsasabi nga na kailangan i-defend mo pa yung sarili mo kahit alam mo sobrang lie naman yung sinasabi. So, ayun, tama yung sinabi niya na as long as maganda yung foundation mo, yun, alam mo kung sino yung mga tunay na nagmamatter sa'yo at nagmamahal sa'yo, okay na yun.
Alright.
It's just noise.
Ang ganda no.
It's just noise. Diba? At the end of the day, parang... bakit? Tsaka people like to talk about things, people like to speculate, and people like to ruin things that they don't understand. The more they don't understand things, the more they have a lot to say. The more they pick on it. So, and people love to, people really like to throw around their opinions, even when they lack context. So, wala naman tayong magagawa dun. Kasi if we try to explain ourselves to every single person who throws something at us, that would just be wasting our time. So, I think, wala, dead man. As long as you know yourself nga, you know your heart, the people around you know exactly who you are and what your intentions are. So, it's important.
And just to add to that, I feel like as consumers then and being online all the time, I think we also have to practice discernment. Because there's a lot of fake news out there. I think it's our responsibility also to be more discerning and to validate our sources, diba? Whatever it is out there that you see in the media or online. I think it's important not to jump to conclusions or judge too quickly without verifying information. Yeah.